Today, I am diving into the world of bonding treatment. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. I make beauty and hair care content. I also make DIY videos using ingredients that you can take from around your kitchen and turn it into hair care products. I also spend most of my time learning about Ayurvedic herbs and how they can also help with our hair health and also our scalp, especially there are no harsh chemicals in it. And since I was diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata in 2016, I lost my hair and I was able to reverse my alopecia. Now I'm very careful with products that I put on my hair. And even though I sell my own products, but I make sure that the products that I am selling, it is safe from harsh chemicals because I know harsh chemicals can not only be harmful to your hair and your scalp, it can also be harmful to the environment. As Secrets is entering into the world of bonding treatment, but we are going to create a revolutionary product that our bonding treatment, we're going to make sure it doesn't have any harsh chemicals on it, and it's going to be effective and safe and gentle on the hair. And no, this product is not available yet. It is still in the testing phase, and I need to go back to the lab and change the smell and just change few things on it. So if you want to keep up and see when I launch it, you can head to my website and put your email in. And once this product is available, you will receive an email letting you know it is available. We are planning on launching it before the end of this year. We are going to have our at-home kit that you can use at home, and we'll also have our professional kit that can only be used by a licensed professional. A single hair shaft consists of three distinct layers. The outer layer is the cuticle, the middle layer is the cortex, and the innermost layer is the medulla. The cuticle layer composed of overlapping scalp-like cells resemble roof shingles. This layer protects the inner structure from damage. It controls moisture intake and also gives the hair shine. The cortex layer, which is the middle layer, it is also the thickest layer, containing 90% of the hair's weight. It houses melanin color, keratin protein chains, which give the hair strength, and also determines hair texture. The medulla, which is the innermost core, often absent in fine or very light hair. It helps maintain structure and is usually present in thick, coarse hair. Hair bonding treatment is a repetitive molecular level hair care process designed to restore broken disulfur, hydrogen, and salt bonds within the hair shaft caused by chemical damage, heat, or environmental stress. Like conditioners that only mask damage, this treatment rebuild the hair's intended structure, improving strength, elasticity, and shine. This specifically reconnect the sulfur bonds that are broken during bleaching, coloring, and excessive heat styling. They work from the inside out to strengthen rather than just coating the hair surface. Bonding treatments comes in various forms including salon-only, pre-shampoo treatment, mask, and shampoo. We are going to have salon-only treatment and also at-home treatment. As Secret's bonding treatment will help prevent breakage, reverse damage, and make hair more resilient, smoother, and healthier. When to use? They are ideal for hair that is dry, damaged, chemically processed, or prone to breakage. They can be used as a treatment for severely damaged hair or as a maintenance for preventive measures. If you have been following my channel, then you know I had a very bad heat damage when I went to go and get my hair professionally straightened. And now I'm trying to reverse that damage. This just shows that when the hair is severely damaged like that, it takes time for those bones to get built back up. So using this treatment 2 or 3 times a week is perfect for it. But if you do not have a severe damaged hair like mine, once a week is fine for maintenance. Our system will consist of 5 pieces. 2 pieces will be used for salon owner professional licensed stylists, and 3 pieces will be used at home. So if you get your professional treatment in the salon, for maintenance, you can get the at-home kit and you can be able to use it at home. Hair damage can happen at any time in your life or in your hair journey. But once you have the right product to be able to reverse it, that's what is important. I spent years taking good care of my hair, and just within no time, my hair got damaged because I went to go and get a professional to straighten. I regret that, so therefore, I'm not allowing anyone in my hair again. I'm very excited for this new journey and I cannot wait to launch these products to you guys. I'm really confident that you guys is going to love it as well. I have condition and deep condition my hair. This conditioner have a lot of slip. I love the way it feels, but I'm going to adjust the smell on it. Only the number 3 shampoo and conditioner can be used weekly to maintain the bond in your hair. I'm going to leave this conditioner on for about 20 minutes and then afterwards I'll go rinse it out and then I'll come and show you guys the progress on my heat damage. This is day 1. So let's do this wash day for about 2 months, once a week, and see how the heat damage area come to look. I had full C hair, very tight, kinky, cordy hair. But after I went and got my hair straightened, this is how my cordy hair got damaged. I'm not even sure if that's even type 2 hair right now at my nip because it's just straight. The ends are so straight. So these 2 clips is older clip. I just wanted to show you guys how severely damaged my hair got. And it been a year now. I've been trying to reverse my heat damage. So I decided to turn to bonding treatment. A bonding treatment will help for me to reverse it faster instead of just regular washing. So thank you so much for watching and keep an eye out for S Secrets Bonding Line.